Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I am going to review Maggi Chatpata Tomato Noodles. Also will show you steps to make it. On the packaging they have mentioned that share your favorite taste with India, and they have also given the hashtag, that is Maggi India, of Instagram. They have also mentioned that truly good, your favorite masala taste with deliciousness of tomatoes. As you guys can see on the right side of the packaging, they have given the steps to make these noodles. On the left side they have given the price of these noodles, that is 15 rupees, and they have also given the expiry date along with the batch number. On the rear side of the packaging they have given nutritional information, then the ingredients along with manufacturers and marketer's name. Also, they have clearly mentioned that this product is best before 8 months from the manufacturing. I will now show you the complete process to make these Maggi Chatpata Tomato Noodles. So let's start. Take utensil and pour 1 glass of water inside it. Once the noodle is boiled, then add the noodles biscuit inside the boiling water. Don't break the biscuit by pressing it hard. Noodles will automatically become loose inside the hot water. Stir the noodles continuously so that all the noodles get cooked properly. Half-cooked noodles don't taste that good, so you need to ensure that all the noodles are cooked properly, and then add the Chatpata tomato masala to the noodles. After adding the Chatpata tomato masala, stir the noodles properly so that all the noodles get the proper flavor of the masala. Cook the noodles till the water is evaporated. Some of us like the watery noodles. There we go guys, our noodles are ready. In terms of texture, these noodles are really good, and the smell of these noodles is also coming good. Now let me taste this and try. Wow, they are really delicious. I will give a thumbs up. You guys can try these Chatpata tomato Maggi noodles at home and let me know your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you.